The access key battery low message in your Subaru means the battery in your key fob is weak. This fob uses a battery to communicate with your car's system for keyless entry and starting. A weak battery, typically below 2.5 volts, can prevent the car from unlocking remotely or starting without inserting the physical key. This is a common issue, affecting 15 to 20% of Subaru warranty claims. Factors like humidity, temperature extremes, and even storing the key with metal objects can accelerate battery drain. The fix is usually a simple battery replacement. Open the fob using a flat screwdriver, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity, and insert a new one. These batteries are readily available at auto parts stores. Once replaced, test the fob. To prevent future issues, store keys away from metal objects, use Subaru-approved batteries, and consider that newer models may offer battery level checks via the infotainment system or a smartphone app. Subaru's Starlink system, for example, notifies owners when the fob battery dips below 20%.